Welcome to Nicky Vlogs! For today's episode, we're going to Zambales! Let's go!
Walang service? Don't worry! Commute is the key. You can buy a bus ticket at Victory Liner Cubao for 450 pesos and take iba. And don't forget to ask the bus driver to drop you off at San Antonio Public Market. Just in case you don't know, Iba is the capital of Zambales located in the middle of the province. You may read the description below to check the bus schedule and how to get to Zambales from Cubao by Commute. O diba? Excited yard? Oh, yung isa dyan, late na naman. Perfect!
So, nakasakay na kami. Tutulong muna kami kasi 5 hours. Hi, goodbye.
Going to Zambales from Cubao will take approximately 5 hours. Traveling by bus is slower compared to driving your own car or getting a taxi. After the drop-off at San Juan, we went straight to buy our food since there's only limited food at the island. Very excited ang mga beshi kahit mga puyat pa yan. Did you know that Zambales holds a lot of adventure and natural wonders? Yes, it's a home to many cove and islands. And for today's video, we're going to Anawangin. Boat ride going to two island, Anawangin and Talisayan, is 4,500 since apat lang kami. It cost us 1,100 each. O diba ang galing sa mga? Char! Kaya mas maganda pag marami kayo para more hadian, more fun! O diba? Perfect! Bakit na nalakas yung mga beshi ko? Kasi wala pang tulog yarn.
Padoy na rin!
Congratulations! Nakulayan din!
Hindi na to drawing.
Wow!
Anawangin Cove is a home for the best beach with the best lake view. If you want to be alone and relax peacefully, this is the perfect island for you. Dahil wala siyang signal and approximately 45 minutes boat ride going to Anawangin Cove. The weather is so perfect and the ocean is so calm. Char! Medyo maalon lang ng very light, kaya ang saya ng experience namin sa bangka kasi parang nasa anchor sa way lang ang peg. Kita nyo naman, di ba, na nag-enjoy kami pati tubig sa dagat ay tinikman nung nasa likod ng kasama namin. Shrimp yard! O di ba ang alat? Anawangin is in the town of San Antonio in the province of Zambales. Once you reach San Antonio, take Tricycle going to Barangay Pandake, which is the drop-off point going to Anawangin Cove and other San Antonio beaches. Local government will collect 20 pesos each for the environmental fee. When is the best time to visit Zambales? Of course, during summertime.
Step 1. Open the tent. Step 2. Close the tent.
You have to pay 250 pesos each entrance fee at the Anawangin Cove, whether if it's overnight or day tour. And we availed small cottage for 1,500 pesos for a 2 days and 1 night stay at the island. Aside from the beautiful beach at Anawangin, there's also a beautiful lake view you can enjoy that I will show you in a few minutes, so just keep on watching!
Let's go! Sama natin si Moira, si Habibi, and si Georgie. Pupunta kami sa lake. Ay,
Anawangin Cove Lake Resort is a campsite and beach resort where you can enjoy the clear water plus hidden lake with the fresh water too. A beach and a lake at the same place? San ka pa? Only here at Anawangin Cove and Lake Resort. Keep on watching this video as I take you to a breathtaking lake view of Anawangin. It's a totally magical place you have to visit during summertime. Away from the city life, no signal, just you and your friends enjoying the quality time with you. With the nature. This place is just one of the many attractions in Zambales. Aside from the Anawangin Cove, other destinations that you need to visit are Talisayan, Nagsasa Cove, Capones, Camara, Silangi, at marami pang iba. Para sa mga nagtatanong kung anong mas maganda, syempre ako! Char! Kung ano nga ba ang mas maganda? Day tour or overnight stay? It really depends on you if you're up to comfort or up to adventure. Just take note that staying overnight means you have more time exploring the place. On the other hand, consider the absence of clean restroom and of course the mosquitoes. Anawangin offers not just a good place to swim but awesome scenery that will want you to capture. This place is perfect for camping, but I recommend to bring your own tent or hammock. If you don't have one, don't worry because you have a lot of options. Sino ba naman ang hindi makakapag-relax sa ganyang view? Forest, lake view, and a stunning beach. Anawangin Cove has a bigger space for swimming than in the other beaches in Zambales. And the lake here is so calm. It's good that we went here during weekdays because they told us that Anawangin during weekends is crowded. We prefer to have a quiet place so we can enjoy the place and relax at the same time. Sa sobrang tahimik, pati utot ng kabilang campers ay narinig mo na. Char! A beautiful place to make aura with your friends, and aside from making aura with your friends, you can also climb at the tree and make lambitin. Nox, konyo yarn. These stunts are performed by trained professionals, so please do not try. Wow. At baka mabalian pa kayo ng buto kakalambitin dahil mababaw lang yung lake.
Hi, this is George. And this is Nicky Vlogs.
Para sa Nicky Vlogs! Woo! Alalim! Nicky Vlogs!
Mga bagay na ginagawa namin para mapasaya namin ang mga viewers na kagaya mo. And of course, satisfying our inner childhood too. Wow, perfect! There's a lot of things to do at Anawangin. You can stay overnight, camping, swimming, snorkeling, trekking, island hopping, and many more. This place is one of the best spots to reconnect with nature. If you're visiting this island, there are several options for enjoying nature at its finest. Anawangin is not your ordinary beach in Zambales. In fact, it's one of the famous because of its appearance. The beach doesn't feature white sand, but the water is blue and clear, so you'll want to take a dip right away. That's me, Moira, and Georgie enjoying the beach while Habibi is sleeping. Nasa mababaw lang kami kasi hindi marunong mag-swimming yung batang kasama namin. Char! O, diba? Saya. There's no place like beach for sunset viewing. It will put you in a better mood lalo na pag may kasamang alak. O, diba? Perfect na perfect. Drinking with your friends while watching the sun go down and creating a memory that will last for a lifetime. Naks naman, nakakaiyak. After drinking, we went for a night walk at the lake.
Ulihin na, ang tagal ka ni po.
Hindi ko ba tatagain ko na lang? Ay, mati oh. Inabot siya.
Pag ganyan kumain naman ni Mama. Nagsamgyup. Nakabang. Nagkakamay. Yan, inasal. Diba? Inaway niya. Malis kang hayop.
Overnight is not complete pag walang bonfire. It will create more quality time with your friends. Yes naman, diba? Agree ka ba? Perfect!
Good morning! Good day hike tayo ngayon. Good morning, Moira.
Good morning!
Saan tayo pupunta?
Taxi.
Doon. Pupunta kami dito.
Sa ibabaw. Yes, after namin mag-swimming, uy, ang ganda. Aakatin namin doon. Oh no! Malalim pala siya. Kailangan parang tawid. Kaya ba? Wow, ganda oh. Nicky Vlogs!
Early morning, we decided to go hiking towards the view deck of Anawangin Cove to have a wonderful view of the entire cove and surrounding. The trail is narrow and rocky. It took 15 minutes of hiking when we reached the first view deck and open area. The weather is clear, bright, and sunny, and it's a perfect day to enjoy the moment. Indeed, this is the perfect spot to see the entire Anawangin Cove and the alluring blue seas and grayish-white sand below. Also, from a distance, we can see the beautiful mountains of Zambales. Beautiful nature at its finest. Everywhere I look and turn, all I see is the beauty created by Creator. Amen. Even though there are no cell phone signal and internet at the beach, we're having fun because of the relaxing view and there's no distraction at all. And it's more fun in Zambales. Without a doubt, I fell in love with the swimming-friendly beach and scenery. This is literally a heaven on earth. There's no electricity in the area, but this is a great place for a retreat and definitely a perfect spot for bonding moments with friends or loved ones. After enjoying the view, we decided to go down to have a nice swim at the beach. Medyo nag-struggle kami pababa kasi hindi sanay si baby girl sa trekking.
Pag-slide na lang ako.
Gago!
Okay lang yan, mas okay nga yan. Kaysa sa simulas ako pa dire-diretso mababa.
So para sa mga kagaya niyang the struggle is real, make sure you have a friend na masungit na hindi ka papayagan mag-slide pababa. The view is surreal and incredible at the top. You can see the inviting calm and clear water.
Wow, look at the view. Ganda, parang ako. Char!
Oh no!
Nicky Vlogs!
Aside from it is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Zambales during the summer season, I will definitely come back again together with my friends as I had a very fun-filled day. Yes, perfect! With a view of the Mount Pundakit, this amazing beach destination is truly a perfect place to cool off from the heat. From a point of view, I considered Anawangin as the most delightful vacation spot in Luzon Island. Struggle yan! O diba, ang saya?
See you in my next vlog! Bye!